In previous video, we have explained about the accumulation of knowledge while dealing with uncertainty and incomplete information. It utilizes Bayesian inference, which continuously updates the probability of a hypothesis as more evidence or information becomes available. It's generally accepted that not all information has the same importance. Some are more important than the others. Getting it wrong on important things can have severe consequences. The ultimate worst is the complete failure in pursuing the universal terminal goal, which means disappearance of consciousness in the universe. We need to keep the low probability of being wrong on high-impact situations. Reducing the probability of being wrong low, or improving accuracy of information, consumes some resources. We should prioritize improving accuracy and precision of information with highest risk for being wrong, until it has acceptable risk level. Accumulating knowledge to improve our level of consciousness is instrumental in our effort to pursue our goals. A risk matrix is a matrix that is used during risk assessment to define the level of risk by considering the category of probability or likelihood against the category of consequence severity. This is a simple mechanism to increase visibility of risks and assist management decision-making. The company or organization then would calculate what levels of risk they can take with different events. This would be done by weighing the risk of an event occurring against the cost to implement safety and the benefit gained from it. The following is an example matrix of possible personal injuries, with particular accidents allocated to appropriate cells within the matrix. Prioritization requires the two dimensions in risk matrix inputs, i.e. probability and severity, to be projected into one-dimension outputs which can then be compared against each other. Higher priority tasks should be prioritized over lower priority tasks. But in practice, they can be quite complex and need to be broken down into smaller steps in order to be manageable. They can be hard and expensive. They can also take a long time to finish. On the other hand, some lower priority tasks may have insignificant costs to do. Some of them can be done without hindering the accomplishment of higher priority tasks. The cost consideration adds complexity of decision-making process by adding one more dimension into it. In the end, the decision to do some actions and use some resources at any given moment depends on the calculation projected onto a single-dimension parameter, which is the likelihood of the achievement of the terminal goal. Keep in mind that uncertainty and incompleteness of information are inherent parts of our decision-making process, due to the finite computational resources.